Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside of our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project interacting Viper contract section of the module. And today I'm going to show you the actual contract where we ran both the the Viper's favorites.vi file and the deploy pyebm.py file, both using a print statement. So first we ran the favorites.vi file, which doesn't have the boa import. It's just a regular Viper file. As you can see, we still got our error here, or our warning. Viper warning print should only be used for debugging node. Then I ran the pyebm file. As you can see here, we moved down. Our file ran correctly. Everything printed out correctly to the terminal. And you can see here, we can see our message sender, and it's letting us know this is where the message sender is coming from. So everything did work correctly with the pyebm file because we are using the import boa. As you can see here, our import boa library is working correctly in the pyebm. So that's why we're able to handle that print statement as opposed to the Vipers.vi file where we're not using a print statement. And that's basically what that looks like. So these are the two different versions. This is the Viper.vi file here. Everything still ran correctly except we got the warning. Here's the pyebm file. We didn't get any warning and everything compiled correctly. And we got our message.sender. So that's what that looks like when we use our print statement in both sections with and without the boa library. So basically that's that, and we're going to move forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.